Can I try it?
You sure can, pretty girl. No! I'm not finna get on your back. Honestly, I'm a bandwagoner. I go with whoever wins. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay. And welcome to Shady Shay. Oh, good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I'm about to brush my teeth, wash my face. I would say I'm about to do my hair, but I'm not. Just blending it, staying on my head because I'm not going anywhere. However, the other day, me and my husband and, it was just me and my husband. We went to Walmart. We bought some stuff to decorate the outside of our house. So we're about to go outside and do that. Okay? And yes, I will have a bonnet on my head for this process, okay? So y'all don't come for me with my bunny, okay? Because I'm tired, but I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. All right, y'all. So these are some of the items that we picked up that day that we went to Walmart. So we're gonna put these out. I know it's only a little. We're gonna put these out. We're gonna see how everything looks. And if we feel like we need to go buy more things, then we absolutely will. But I'm not really big on Halloween, baby, because what? I ain't. So this probably will suffice. But let's put it up. Here go my lovely husband that I love so much.
Game time. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm ready.
Today is the game, right?
No, I'm talking about the Cowboys do play today, but that's not what I was referring to. I was referring to we missed Halloween last year. Dropped the ball last year. Not doing that this year. You see how we going? There's one more big piece that I want to go back and get. It's probably gonna be sold out though. It's a huge ghost. But anyway, let's get to it. Go time, show time. Haha.
Sha.
Good morning.
Yo, I hate the world is so crazy because I really want to just prop my camera up and just show y'all, you know, everything, show the background. But if I show people where I live, I don't know if it's gonna be a crazy person. Well, I mean, not show where I live, but you know, if I show too much of my damn house, it's gonna be a crazy person that's gonna try to come look for me. I don't like that. Why is the world crazy? Sha, why do you got that on?
Because it was a good idea.
So I'm trying to find a good angle to prop y'all up at to where y'all can see what we doing without showing too much. If that makes sense. I mean, not if that makes sense. I hope y'all understand it.
I'm gonna be scared when I come home.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
No, I'm not.
is. Okay, no. Whoa. Stop.
Because it'll break.
Yes, we need to. Believe it or not, we need to wet the grass.
Duh.
We need to wet the grass. That's all this right fit down. Use the black one because it's longer. I don't think that green one's stretching.
So,
down. Just, walk it down real quick. Don't do that yet.
We have a corner house. So we're thinking about putting these little skeleton things along this corner, and then behind it is where we're going to do the inflatables. That's the plan. But you know, it sounds good until you start doing it, and then we get to moving stuff around.
Daddy.
But first we're gonna wet this grass because it's too hard to put the things in there. Cause you wanna get it real good so it'll be easy to push it in.
Yeah. Your hands are not at the back.
See, yeah. I know I was right. Goddamn screwdriver.
Okay.
Go ahead, Miss Magic Touch. Go ahead and do yours right here on this corner. That way, if it breaks, I can make it bigger.
That look kind of funny, huh?
No, it don't look funny to me.
Cause you see how it's kind of coming out instead of, maybe if I connect it. Oh shit, well that broke. How you do it?
This one?
Yeah, you gotta push it in from the bottom.
Push down. Good job. Do this one. Good job, mama. There we go. Yeah, see, they're connected by a cord. I see the cord already. Baby, an ant better not bite me on my butt. So y'all, this makes a scary noise, but we gotta go buy batteries. So we gotta go back to Walmart anyway because of that.
Mommy, I want to help you with the skeleton.
Hold on, because this is kind of hard.
You want me to help you?
Oh, no, this head needs to go over here. Oh, that wasn't even on right.
Mommy, can I do this one? I'm going to do this one, Mommy.
This is what we got. All right, y'all. So we got this little white cotton.
White cotton?
And we're gonna make it look like spider webs.
Can I try it?
You sure can, pretty girl. No! You don't eat it? This ain't stuff that you eat, baby. Y'all, I am weak. Here, you just stretch it out like this.
Oh my God.
And we're gonna like put it on the tree. Hold on, wait. Oh shoot. Hold on. You gotta spread it.
I'm gonna spread it. Spread!
Look, you see this twist? Gotta twist it.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do. Woo! Mama, me making this look scarier for a window.
Okay, let's. Whoop!
So,
About the bus. This is what we got going so far. So we got the little spider webs on the gate. Then when we walk by, these little people make little scary noises, but y'all know we gotta go to Walmart. Then we got this little inflatable. I say we need a bigger one right here, but my husband wants to leave this here. And then we have another inflatable right here, the ghost. I guess they both are ghosts. We have him right here, but I suggest both of those go on the side of this little tree right here, and then we go get a bigger one right here. But whatever. How you gonna do it? Boy, I'm not gonna get on your back. Oh, shit.
Make sure you keep that. Okay, yeah, you need to get you have, no, that was all you. You have no balance.
What? That was you. You did not hold me.
You have no balance. And you messing with her. Let's go. Let's try this again.
Oh my God, I'm scared. I don't even want to do this no more.
Tree.
I'm scared.
Here we go.
Baby, you gonna hurt your neck. Oh.
You know what I'm talking about? That's what you did when I was trying to hold you.
No, that ain't. Okay, walk me around the tree. Keep going. I think we're okay. Hey. Yep.
Yep.
Oh, are you okay?
Yep.
Okay. Wait. Go back to the left. To the left.
Baby, you know
I mean, you're right. Keep going. Whoa, wait, a tree. Oh. Come on. Okay, there. Come on. Give me. You got me too far. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Straight at you?
I'm ready.
We did it.
Y'all, my husband dropped me. My knees is gonna be toe up. I can't believe he dropped me. And then he gonna try to blame me. Tell me I didn't have no balance. All right, y'all. So today is the day that the Cowboys play. It's Sunday. They're playing against their rival team, which is the 49ers. And we're headed to Twins Peak to watch the game. And I guess my husband and my cousins and my brothers, they're gonna drink, and I'm gonna watch and cheer them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all to my outfit of the day, and then I'll see y'all when y'all get back. All right, y'all. Outfit of the day. I have on Ezekiel Elliott. What's his name? Ezekiel Elliott cowboy jersey. I know he no longer play for the Cowboys, but this is the smallest jersey my husband had in his closet, so I'm just gonna wear it. It is what it is. I don't care. Then I have on these shorts. They got distressing in them, and then I have on some little white sandals that I got from Forever 21. Nothing major, just something to throw on.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
All right, y'all back. So we're walking into Twins Peak to watch this game. Now, I'm not a Cowboy fan. Actually, I don't even watch football. Honestly, I'm a bandwagoner. I go with whoever wins.
Ask you why the camera going, she can be nice. Can I have some of your B-roll?
No.
See, that's a weak ass. You see how she be doing me, y'all?
No, because I feel like if you're gonna be a vlogger and you serious about your craft, then you would bring your camera with you to vlog. You don't do this. So you
That's all I
ain't.
need, right? This is my camera. Right
Anyway, y'all, while he interrupting what I'm telling y'all,
Yeah.
I don't know football. I don't have a favorite team. I go with the winning team. So if the Cowboys win today, that's who I'm cheering for. If the 49ers win, then that's who I'm cheering for, okay? I'm a bandwagoner. I'm a bandwagoner.
Well, you need to take this ring off.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off if the 49ers win.
You don't take it off for the game.
Yeah, they don't want me. They don't want me sitting with them. Okay, y'all, copyright music. I mean, the music gonna get me copyrighted.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna
rock the work it in the milk.
Go, son. Cowboys, son.
Work it in the milk. Work it in the milk. Ooh, baby,
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we been through?
Travel like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato.
Well, y'all, I'm a 49ers fan. Everybody's pissed off about it because I switched sides. But baby, I gotta go with the winning team, honey. So next time I know not to wear no jersey. Cause I was like, go 49ers, man. Was like, what? Yeah, I'm a bandwagoner. We leaving. I'm tired and I'm sleepy.